Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ustaj Musli Shine, and today date is 13 January 2022, and today our topic is difference between assembler, compiler and interpreter, language processor. Compiler interpreters translate programs written in high level languages into machine code that a computer understands, and assembler translate programs written in low level or assembly language into machine code. In the compilation process, there are stages to help programs write error free code. Tools are available. Let us discuss with the compiler, assembler, and interpreter. First, we all can discuss with the compiler. The compiler language processor that reads the complete source program written in high level language and translate it into program language. It's called a compiler. For example, C++, and Java. In a compiler, the source code is translated to object code successfully. If it is free of errors, the compiler specifies the error at the end of compilation with lines numbers. When there are any errors in the source code, the errors must be removed. Then the compiler can successfully recompile the source code again. Assembler. The assembler is used to translate the program, and then it is a assembly language into machine code. And the source program is an input of an assembler that contain assembly language instructs. The output generated by the assembler is the code. The assembler is basically the first interface that able to communicate humans with the help of assembler. We fill the gate between human and machine, so that can communicate. Interpreter. The translation of a single statement of the source program into code is done by language processor and execute immediately before moving on the next line. It's called interpreter. If there is an error in the statement, the interpreter terminates its translating process that statement and displays an error message. The interpreter moves to the next line for execution only after the normal of the error. For example, Python. The difference between compiler and interpreter. Consume less time. The compiler is consume less time. The interpreter consumes more time. The compiler is faster. The interpreter is slower. The compiler is more efficient. The interpreter is less efficient. The compiler not flexible. The interpreter is flexible. The compiler is larger in size. The interpreter is smaller than size. The compiler CPU utilize is more. The interpreter CPU utilize is less. The presence of error may cause whole program. The cause only part of program. The compiler does not provide an improved debugging. An interpreter provides an improved debugging environment. The compiler is used by such as C, C++, etc. The interpreter is used only Java. This is discuss about the difference between compiler, interpreter, and assembler. Thank you.